welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make kitten. Draw the hat. Make sure you like and subscribe. Now draw the ears. And draw the eyebrows. And draw the eyes. And make the mouth. And draw the whiskers. And draw the legs. And draw the stripes. And the tail. Color the nose and the ears. Color the striped brown. This is finished, so thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.